What if I told you that Canada's housing crisis could be your biggest relocation opportunity? What if I told you that Canada is preparing to give permanent residence to people who do not have university degrees, do not qualify for Express Entry, or do not even have ICRS score? Canada has officially confirmed that it is developing new permanent residence pathways starting from 2026, specifically for construction and skilled trade workers, because Canada simply does not have enough hands to build the country. So in this video, I'm going to explain to you why Canada is doing this, who qualifies for these relocation opportunities, what jobs are included, what documents you would need, and how to position yourself now before the rush begins. So you want to stick around with me. So before we dive in, my name is Esther and I share with you opportunities that can assist your relocation journey abroad. So if this sounds like what you would like to hear, please do well to subscribe, join the family, like this video, share with your friends and family that qualify for this opportunity. And without further ado, let's dive right in. Why is Canada creating this new pathway in 2026? Canada is facing a national housing emergency right now because there are not enough homes, construction projects are being delayed, infrastructure expansion is currently stalled. So the Canadian government has publicly admitted that without foreign construction workers, Canada cannot meet its housing targets. So as a result of this, immigration policy is now being tied directly to housing development, infrastructure expansion, skilled trade shortages. This is why Canada confirmed plans to introduce targeted PR pathways for construction and skilled trade workers starting in 2026. So this pathway is economic immigration, not humanitarian, meaning Canada is actively looking for you. So who is this pathway for? This pathway targets hands-on practical workers, including construction and skilled trade occupations such as carpenters, electricians, plumbers, welders, bricklayers, construction laborers, heavy equipment operators, HVAC technicians, roofers, painters, concrete finishers. And the good part of this is that you do not need a university degree, a master's or PhD, or even Express Entry CRS competition. What Canada wants is your skill, your experience, and your reliability. Now, how does this pathway work? While final rules will be released closer to 2026, any moment from now, official policy direction shows that the pathway will likely include occupation-specific selection, people within the construction industry, employer or sector-based support, lower emphasis on CRS points, PR based on work experience and skills. This means if you can prove you are qualified construction or trade worker, you stand a real chance of relocating to Canada via this route. Now, what are the expected eligibility requirements? Based on Canada's existing immigration models and official policy signals, expect requirements such as at least 1 to 2 years of recent experience in construction or a skilled trade. Experience can be outside Canada or inside Canada. Then language ability. You need to at least understand and be able to communicate in English, basic to moderate English language or French. Then they could require you to present CLB 4 to 5, which is a very low score. You know, it's very much lower than the Express Entry required score. So number 3, proof of skills. You could need any of these documents to prove your skills: trade certificates, employer reference letters, pay slips or contracts, apprenticeship records. Then you could also need medical or security checks just to ensure that you are fit. So this pathway focuses on your ability to work, not academic excellence. So how do you position yourself to get into Canada via this route? This is where many people may fail, but you shouldn't. You have to start doing this now. Gather your proof of work experience, get reference letters from employers, improve basic English communication. You could just go ahead and register for the next IELTS so that you get your result ready. Get trade certificates if available. Follow Canadian construction job trends. Guys, you can start looking for construction job openings because a lot of people will start putting that up. So you can go ahead and start applying. But you may actually not need job offer when it opens up. So guys, I'm going to drop the official link. You need to go ahead to check those links and see some other information that you need to take advantage of this opportunity. And as soon as it comes up, it comes live, I'm also going to try as much as possible to bring it up and spell it out for you on this channel. So Canada's construction PR pathway is not hype. It is policy driven, labor driven, and already in motion. So if you work with your hands and you're skilled in all these jobs, Canada needs you right now. So please, if you find value in this video, do well to like, share with your friends and family that has skills in these occupations, and please do well to drop your comments and stay tuned as I bring you new opportunities to make your relocation dream come true in 2026. Merry Christmas in advance and Happy New Year.